base layout and optional floor kit assembly. For purposes of this video, we will install a walk door and the optional floor kit. If your building is placed on a slab without the floor kit, follow the installation drawings for that particular building. The base must first be assembled, squared, and leveled. The base consists of several components, such as the base channel, base purlins, column clips, and a door channel, if a roll-up door is used. All frame components are marked for identification. Consult your installation drawing for the proper component mark and placement. Now's the time to decide direction of the door opening and start base framing accordingly. Locate and assemble the base channels and the base purlins according to the installation drawings for your particular size of building. The leading and trailing edge of the base channel are overbent for a tight fit. Spread apart as needed to nest the base purling into the base channel. Always point the bolts with the flat side in the position shown on your building's installation drawings. This is also the time to install the clips for the columns, as some of the base bolts are utilized to attach the column clips. Placement of these clips will vary according to your particular building size. If a roll-up door is being used, install the door channel and clips on the end you chose for the door opening. Consult your installation drawings for component identification and placement. When the base is complete, it needs to be squared and leveled. Squaring can be accomplished by cross-measuring and pulling or pushing the base until the corner-to-corner measurements are the same. Make sure the base is complete, square, and level. All base purlins should be in place. If applicable to your particular building, the bottom door channel should also be in place. The base should not be in direct contact with the ground to prevent rusting of the base. Blocking the base is recommended to prevent this. Leveling and proper blocking of the floor kit is also critical to prevent the floor from sagging on unlevel surfaces. A base that is not level will create future problems with the frame, sheeting, and trim. This blocking is not furnished by Mueller and is at the owner's discretion. At this time, tighten all bolts in the base. Decking can now be applied according to your particular building's installation drawings. Decking screws should be installed on 1-foot centers. Decking butt joints at the base purlins should be centered on the purlin and attached on 1-foot centers. Notching or slotting of the decking at the clips will need to be sufficient to allow for the placement of the columns and door jambs. Decking should not be exposed to the elements for an extended length of time. The decking may also be installed after the building is sheeted and trimmed.